Right, we're looking at iteration here. Now, if you've done the new GCSE, then you'll notice that this is on there. So this isn't too difficult. This is literally using a formula. Now, you might be asked to get to this particular formula, all right? But in this case, you're not, all right? And you're also given a value in which to start with. Okay, that's usually the case as well. And literally all you do is you use your previous answer to get your new answer, and the iterative formula goes gets you closer and closer and closer to the actual answer, you know, whatever a solution to a problem. Okay, so all we're literally doing, if we're given x0, which we are, x0 equals 2.5. Okay, x1 we calculate by doing ln of 2.5 plus 2 plus 1. Stick that in your calculator. It says to 5 decimal places. When I did it, I got 2.5. What is it? 0408. Now we need to use this, okay, in the next one. So what I would do if I was you is use the ANTS button on your calculator. All right, and so you're putting ANTS plus 2 plus 1, right? And as I said, it's this goes in, but it was the last answer you just got on your calculator. All right, and that gave me 2.5, what is it, 0498. Okay, and the great thing about using the ANTS button is that next time you just need to press equals again. All right, and it's ANTS plus 2 plus 1. And again, this is the one that goes into there. All right, and I got 2.50518. Okay, and that's literally all the iterative formula is.